Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to join the main road carefully and safely. Step 1. Slow down and turn your signal. As you get close to the junction, start slow down and turn on your signal. Step 2. Stop completely. Come to a full stop at the stop line or just before entering the main road. Step 3. Look both ways. Check for traffic by looking left, then right, then left again. Step 4. Wait for safe gap. Wait until both sides are clear and you have enough time to join safely. Step 5. Join the road smoothly. When it's safe, enter the main road smoothly.